Hello friend, today we are seeing union and union all. Okay, so let's check first our table. Select star from EMP1. Okay, so this is our first table. We can see there is a ID column, name column and salary column, and there are the three records ID 1 2 3. Okay, next now we have to have second table. Select star from EMP2. Okay, let's check its output. Okay, here are the same column ID, name and salary, and ID are 4 6 5 and 1. Okay, so union and union on all basically used to merge the two table vertically. Means after first table record, the second table record will be inserted into that table and it will be creating the one table. Okay, so it's vertically joining the two table or merging the two table. So one thing we have to remember, to use union and union all, both tables should have the same column number, equal column number it should be considered, and equal data type it will be considered. Okay, like same ID, name, salary is present into EMP1 and same it's present into the EMP2. Okay, so let's start. So if you have to use joining the two tables, so like we can merging two table by using unions. Let's say how. So select star from EMP1, then we have to use union. Okay, and then select star from EMP2. Okay, so if we are using union, then it will be remove the duplicate record from the two table. So you can check here, the one Alice 5000 is a duplicate record because it is present in the EMP1 and EMP2 also. So once we can join this table, select star from EMP1 union, select star from EMP2. So we will see the output. Okay, we can see here input 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 will be present. So the duplicate data will be not present here, it will be eliminated by union. And if we are using union all, so it will be given all the records, means it will not remove the duplicate, it will be showing all the record. Okay, so you can see here ID1 Alice entry is here also and here also. Means by using union all, it will be showing all the record present with duplicates also. And if we are using just a union, so in that case it will be remove duplicate record and just present unique record like this. So ls entry is going. So okay, so like this way we can use union and union all to merge the two table with unique record or with duplicate record also. Thank you.